In a couple of days, I I lose all my belongings. I lose my home in Finland. I lose the last creative work. Oh, sorry. Did you forget that I have no electricity, which means no hot water? There we go. There's light. My days are spent pawing through law, begging for money to print stuff out for court. There's no time to clean, just in case anyone asks. To answer the question about how they're blocking my medication my prescription's in Finland. I can't get it here. I don't have a medical card. I'm not signing up for one. I'm registered to live in Finland. If I try to get the medication here, I never get it. It's specialized. And when or if I have managed to get a temporary script, it has been a fraction of the dose because I'm supposed to be back in Finland with my normal prescription, and it's prohibitively expensive. I think like a fraction of the dose costs for 2 weeks costs over €300. So that's why I can't get my medication. However, illegally confiscating my SIM card and then giving no remedy when I say that they're going to starve me because I don't have any funds. I don't have access to funds. I'm not signing on to welfare here. I'll die before I do that because that puts me at fraud with Finland. So I just starve daily because of the guards. I'm not even properly eligible for welfare here because I spent so much time out of the country. So, this is just going to be you lot watching the guards starve me to death. Because I'm fucking exhausted being told by the superior courts that I have no constitutional rights, while judges mollycoddle guards and create room for guards to give false instruments, yes, false documents to the courts. As has happened repeatedly. Guards actually not just given fraudulent documents, but then editing the fraudulent documents and lying to the court, saying that they didn't give fraudulent documents and that those are the original documents. But I have copies of the originals, so I know that they edited out like 2 or 3 pages. But that's what's going on. The judiciary kind of helping both a couple of corrupt lawyers who are at concern because that's how it works. It's this sort of blue omerta that extends into law. Over the next couple of videos, I might just cover how deeply corrupt the LSRA is, the Legal Services Regulatory Authority, and how we don't actually have a Legal Services Regulatory Authority in Ireland. And I'll cover my correspondence with the Attorney General, show you just how fucking bullshit that is. But yeah, I hope you're all enjoying the torture porn, because guards are slowly killing me. I can't eat, I can't access my medication. I have to beg for money to put food in my mouth. I have no water, except for one mains tap. I have no heating, unless I steal electricity. Sorry, not steal. Unless I borrow electricity. I've no front door. Because of the guards I call COVID. Like, the whole thing is absolutely ridiculous. But this is what the guards do. You know, either you don't speak up, or they push you to suicide. And the items that I uploaded show very clearly the guards admitting that the game is to push people to suicide and asking people to look the other way. I hope you all enjoy watching me starve to death, because it's coming to that soon. Either I just am fucking exhausted begging online, or I just go back on dry hunger strike, and I'm going to take daily pictures, and you all get to, fetishistically enjoy watching me starve to death. A new frontier of fucking entertainment. As for the apartment sale, yes, it's at least a minimum of €100,000 below market value. You better come to me with a solicitor. It's all above board. I own it. I was left it, and yeah, obviously I can't do anything with it. So and the guards basically told me I'm not allowed to have anything. I'm not allowed to have a career. I'm not allowed to have anything. So, and you know, I have to be good for the guards. Good. You know, you have to. Yeah, no, it's for sale, okay? Don't ask stupid questions. I don't know if there's any other questions in there. Oh, yeah, I hope that addressed the medication. That's the obstruction. My prescription is in Finland, and the guards have blocked my access to my Finnish banking by confiscating my Finnish SIM, which led to my welfare being cut off and has severed access to my medication. Which has me completely on zero finances. I don't get anything, and I'm in arrears with my storage unit. I'm in arrears with my rent in Finland, which has, you know, my apartment there. I might make a little video about, because it's beautiful. It's the only home I've had in the last 20 years, and this whole matter is just corrupt people trying to back themselves out of a corner of being corrupt, and the judges that help them and the lawyers that help them, either by not believing basic civilians or whatever else, because I'm told that this is constitutionally sound, and that, you know, the main worry there would be that if you come before a judge and you say you're being abused constitutionally, and the judge inherently doesn't believe you and therefore allows the abuse to happen to a point of death, is the judge negligent? Or will other judges band together and say the judge could never have known? No, you know, which is sort of like, no one can expect people to do due diligence. But yeah, this is me being constitutionally abused, and to death. So I hope everybody's buckled in for the show of watching me fucking starve to death. Thanks for watching. Buy the fucking apartment.